Earthquake. Definition, causes, effects, and measurement. Definition: an earthquake is the sudden shaking or vibration of the Earth's surface caused by a sudden release of energy in the Earth's lithosphere. This release of energy creates seismic waves that travel through the Earth. Causes of earthquakes. Tectonic movements. Primary cause: movement of Earth's plates. Plate tectonics. Occurs along fault lines, e.g., the San Andreas Fault in California. Causes of earthquakes. Tectonic movements. Primary cause: movement of Earth's plates. Volcanic activity. Earthquakes can occur before, during, or after volcanic eruptions due to magma movement. Human activities. Induced earthquakes, mining, dam construction, oil drilling, and fracking. Collapse earthquakes. Caused by underground caves collapsing, usually localized and minor. Explosion earthquakes. Result from nuclear or chemical explosions. Focus and epicenter. Focus. Hypocenter, the point within the Earth where the earthquake starts. Epicenter, the point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus. Seismic waves. Primary waves, P waves, fastest, travel through solids and liquids. Secondary waves, S waves, slower, travel only through solids. Surface waves cause most of the damage, travel along the Earth's surface. Measuring earthquakes. Richter scale measures magnitude, energy released. Logarithmic scale from 0 to 10. Moment magnitude scale, MW, more modern and accurate than the Richter scale. Modified Mercalli intensity scale measures intensity based on human perception and damage, 1 to 2. Effects of earthquakes. Ground shaking, surface rupture, landslides, tsunamis, if underwater, building collapse and infrastructure damage, loss of life and economic damage. Earthquake preparedness and safety. Build earthquake-resistant structures. Have emergency kits and evacuation plans. During an earthquake, drop, cover, and hold on. Stay away from windows, heavy furniture, and exterior walls.